Like us, there's more to them than meets the eye.
I warn you against protesting anything that concerns the Red Skull.
And then destroy you and your meddlesome friends.
You're right. We're going ghost-busting, ready or not.
You idiots! You let him get away!
Perhaps Viltrum's grip on the galaxy is not as steady as we imagine.
When Zarkon attacked, we sent Voltron into action at once.
Are you lads sure we should help a kitten?
I gotta use my big voice to tell the bees about the new hive. I am Optimus Prime, and I send this message to any surviving Autobots taking refuge among the stars. We are here. We are waiting.